मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। कल हमने कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स में कुछ चीज़ें पढ़ी थी। आज उसी को टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू। कम्युनिकेशन इज ए टू वे एक्सचेंज ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, गिविंग एंड रिसीविंग, स्पीकिंग एंड राइटिंग टू समवन are example of giving information. Reading and listening to someone are example of receiving information. Communication, giving and receiving, speaking and writing to someone are example of giving information. Speaking, if you are the speaking and writing, that are the example of giving information. If you are the you are giving the some information to other. Reading and listening, reading and listening is the example of receiving of information. I think if you are reading and listening to someone are example, that is the receiving. You are receiving some information from others. Now next slides. Perspective. What is the perspective? Perspective are the ideas, views and fixed ways of thinking. These sometimes affect our communications. For example, if you have a fixed idea that your teacher or father is strict, even when they are being friendly, you may think they are scolding you even though they are polite. That perspective means these are the ideas, views or fixed ways of thinking. If you have uh, thinking about your teacher, about your father, that they are strict for you, but sometimes they are talking with you politely. These are the perspective ideas. Factors affecting perspective in communication. These are the how the factor can become a barrier. Language. In case of use of incorrect words, unfamiliar language, and lack of detail, language can act as a barrier to communicate what one wishes to convey. Then, if you want to communicate with some other persons, then you should know the knowledge of the language or correct words, languages. Visual perception. Visual perception is the brain's ability to make sense of what we see through our eyes. जो हम देखते हैं, जो आपके दिमाग में चल रहा है, आपके माइंड ने क्या एक्ट किया है, what we see through our eyes. For example, completing partially drawn pictures with usual perceptions, whereas they may be something else. Visual perceptions means brain's ability to make sense of what we see through our eyes. Brain's ability, what our mind do react when we see anything, any incident, any answers, any feedback. These are the visual perceptions. Past experience. Letting our earlier experience stop us from understanding and communicating clearly. For example, the shopkeeper cheated me last time. Let me be careful, or I scored how low marks in my maths exam, so I am scared to ask answer question in class. Past experience. Past experience is very important in communications. Prejudice. Fixed ideas such as thinking no one in my class like me may stop a student from communicating openly in the class. Feelings, environment, personal factors, culture. These are the some factors which affects our the communications, perspective in communication. Now, effective communication, the art of the effective communication. Effective communication can happen if we follow the basic principle of professional communication skills. These are the abbreviated as 7 C's. 7 C's क्या है? These are the clear, concise, concrete, correct, current, complete and courteous. These are the, you can see in these slides. Clear, be clear about what you want to say. You should be very clear that you what you want to say. Concise, use simple words and say only what is needed. You should be use only the simple words, not more complicated. Concrete, use exact words and phrases. Correct, use correct spelling, language and grammar. Current, your words should make sense and should be related to the main topic. complete. Your message should have all the needed information. Courteous, be respectful, friendly, and honest. These are the seven C's which are very effective in effective communications skills. Now, some some are the assignments. I will send you this assignment in Word formats and in Google Classroom. Then you can uh, note down from the Google Classroom and do your copy. Then till then, thank you. Have a nice day.